Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RC Plane 4-Channel Remote Control Airplane. The LEAMBE F-22 RC airplane is a remote-controlled aircraft designed to cater to both beginners and experienced pilots. It features a 4-channel control system and the Spilot stabilization system, which aims to provide stable and easy-to-control flights. The plane is capable of performing various aerobatic maneuvers, including 360-degree rolls and inverted flights. Key features: Spilot stabilization system. This integrated gyroscope assists in stabilizing the aircraft, making it more manageable for novice pilots. Multiple flight modes. The aircraft supports various maneuvers, including 360-degree rolls and inverted flights, allowing pilots to perform aerobatic stunts. 2.4 GHz 4-channel control offers a remote control distance of up to 200 meters, enabling multiple planes to fly simultaneously without signal. Dual high-horsepower motors facilitate easy takeoffs from various surfaces such as runways, grass, or hand launches. Two 3.7V 800 mAh batteries provide approximately 6 to 8 minutes of flight time per battery in crane mode, with a charging time of about 90 minutes. User experiences. Ease of assembly and flight. Users have found the plane straightforward to assemble and operate. One reviewer noted, "Assembly is easy and takes about a minute. No tools or glue are needed." However, they also advised caution regarding flight conditions, recommending against flying in breezy weather to prevent loss of control. Durability. The plane's lightweight foam construction allows it to withstand minor crashes. A user shared, "It is definitely no longer in pristine condition, with a chunk of foam missing. Nevertheless, it continued to fly." Control challenges. Some users reported difficulties in maintaining control, especially in windy conditions or when the battery is low. It's advisable to fly in open areas and ensure batteries are fully charged before flight. Number 2. LEAMBE Remote Control Aircraft Plane. The LEAMBE Remote Control Aircraft Plane is designed to accommodate pilots of varying skill levels, offering an engaging and user-friendly flying experience. Key features: 3 control modes. The aircraft offers beginner, intermediate, and experienced modes, allowing users to progress at their own pace. Spilot stabilization system. This system provides self-stabilization, enhancing flight stability and simplifying control, which is particularly beneficial for novice pilots. Propeller saver technology. Designed to protect the propeller from damage, this feature allows for easy reinstallation after minor mishaps, extending the aircraft's lifespan. Durable construction. Made from lightweight elastomer foam, the plane balances durability with performance, ensuring resilience during flights. Best Reviews Guide. Flight performance. Equipped with an 8mm coreless motor and a 3.7V 360 mAh battery, the aircraft offers a flight time of up to 12 minutes and a control range of approximately 656 feet. User feedback. Users have praised the LEAMBE RC plane for its ease of use and suitability for beginners. One reviewer noted, "Easy to fly, got it up and flying the first try. Lots of fun, and a great value." However, some users have expressed concerns regarding the propeller's tendency to detach during flights. A customer mentioned, "Flew 2 times battery does not last and propeller falls off while it's flying." Number 3. LEAMBE 4-Channel RC Plane. The LEAMBE F4U Corsair 4-Channel RC plane is designed to offer an accessible and engaging flying experience for both beginners and seasoned remote control (RC) enthusiasts. This ready-to-fly (RTF) model combines user-friendly features with the classic design of the F4U Corsair, making it a compelling choice for hobbyists. Key features: user-friendly controls. The aircraft features a simple operation mode, allowing pilots to perform aerobatic maneuvers by pressing a switch and pulling the stick. This design aims to make aerobatics more approachable for beginners. Durable construction. constructed from EPP foam crash-resistant material, the plane is designed to withstand minor impacts, enhancing its longevity and making it suitable for novice pilots. Extended flight time. Each battery provides up to 15 minutes of flight time, and with 2 batteries included, pilots can enjoy extended flying sessions. Stability assistance. Equipped with a flight control assistance system, the aircraft offers a stable flight experience, aiding new pilots in mastering control. Ready-to-fly convenience. Minimal assembly is required. Once the wheels are attached, the plane is ready for takeoff, providing convenience for users eager to start flying. User feedback. Users have praised the LEAMBE F4U Corsair for its ease of use and durability. One reviewer highlighted the plane's ability to perform aerobatics with simple controls, noting that it enhances the overall flying experience. Another user appreciated the aircraft's crash-resistant material, stating it withstands minor crashes well, which is beneficial for beginners. However, some users have reported challenges. A user on Reddit mentioned issues with the transmitter not controlling the flight surfaces after a minor crash, indicating potential durability concerns with the control mechanisms. Number 4. RC Airplane F-35 Remote Control Lightning II Jet Plane. The Answer RC Airplane F-35 Lightning II Jet is designed to provide an accessible and enjoyable flying experience for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Its user-friendly features and durable construction make it a notable option in the realm of remote-controlled aircraft. Key features. Integrated gyroscope for stability. The built-in gyroscope enhances flight stability, simplifying control and making it easier for novices to operate the plane effectively. Durable EPP foam construction. Crafted from lightweight and resilient EPP foam, the aircraft is designed to withstand minor collisions, contributing to its longevity and suitability for beginners. 2.4 GHz FHSS radio system. This advanced radio system allows multiple planes to fly simultaneously without signal interference, facilitating group flying sessions. Dual high-speed coreless motors. Equipped with 2 powerful motors, the plane ensures ample thrust and inherent stability during flight, enhancing the overall flying experience. Extended flight time. The package includes 3 3.7V 250 mAh high-density lithium batteries, each providing approximately 15 minutes of flight time, totaling up to 45 minutes. User feedback. Users have highlighted the plane's ease of use and suitability for beginners. One reviewer noted, "This plane is super easy to fly." The price point and it being made of foam makes for the perfect beginner plane. However, some users have reported challenges in windy conditions due to the plane's lightweight construction. Number 5. LEAMBE RC Plane 4-Channel Remote Control Airplane. The LEAMBE RC Plane 4-Channel Remote Control Airplane is designed to offer an accessible and enjoyable flying experience, particularly for beginners and enthusiasts seeking a user-friendly model. This ready-to-fly P-40 Warhawk replica incorporates features aimed at enhancing flight stability and ease of control. Key features. Spilot Stabilization System. This system enhances flight stability, making the aircraft easier to control, especially for those new to remote-controlled planes. One key aerobatic function allows pilots to perform impressive maneuvers with a single button press, adding excitement to the flying experience without requiring advanced skills. Durable construction. Made from EPP foam, the plane is designed to withstand minor crashes, making it suitable for outdoor use and forgiving for beginners learning to fly. Flight time and batteries. Each battery provides up to 15 minutes of flight time, and the package includes 2 batteries, allowing for extended play sessions. User feedback. Users have shared a range of experiences with this model. Some users find the plane easy to fly, especially with prior RC experience, and appreciate its durability. Others note that while the plane is fun, it may require practice to master, and caution about the fragility of certain components like the landing gear. Discussions among users suggest that landing on grass can be challenging, with some recommending larger wheels or modifications to improve performance on such surfaces.